today?
Let's wake you up first.
What
do you say?
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel.
There you go.
So, what are we making today?
How about grilled cheese and tomato soup?
Really? Okay, I'll start. First, get yourself a box of tomato soup. Second, get yourself a bowl. Then, pour tomato soup in the bowl. Like so. Then, go to the microwave and put it on for a minute. And now it's done. Cool. And there you've got your tomato soup. How about you make the grilled cheese?
Lance, I didn't mean you should show them how to put a box of tomato soup in a bowl. I meant we were going to show them how to actually make the tomato soup.
Oh, so we have to make the tomatoes?
No, we don't have a garden.
Oh, so we have to go to factory and manufacture the tomatoes.
No! How would we go to a store and buy them?
Smart.
How about I start with the actual tomato soup?
Okay.
First, let's get the ingredients. The real tomato soup ingredients are this way. Let's get started. Start by adding the oil, butter, and onion to a soup pot over medium-high heat. Sauté the onion for 5 to 7 minutes or until it's lightly browned.
Stir in the garlic and Italian seasoning, followed by the tomatoes and chicken broth.
Increase the heat to high and bring the soup to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 8 minutes, covered with the lid slightly ajar.
Blend the soup. We like to use an immersion blender. So this is an immersion blender. So I'm gonna take this off. I've let it cool a little bit. And then what you're gonna do, so ours has a button up here. And you're gonna stick it in about right in the middle, and then just press and hold the button. Oh, and not do that. Or that. And try not to get it stuck to the bottom.
So basically, don't put it all the way at the bottom. Just like put it in.
Until it's smooth. You may want to let it cool a little bit first. Stir in the cream and basil and season with salt and pepper as needed.
Now for the grilled cheese. Ingredients are this way. If you start them off with the grilled cheese, you aren't going to tell them to make some frozen grilled cheese and put it in a microwave, right?
Maybe.
Okay, well, why don't you give it a try?
If you're making 4 sandwiches, get out 8 pieces of bread and butter them all on one side.
Next, get out a pan and heat it over medium heat. Place one of the pieces of bread, butter face down, on the pan.
Then add cheese and another slice of cheese.
To make it extra cheesy, then add your other piece of bread, butter side up this time, and put it on top of the cheese.
And let it cook.
Then you can flip the sandwich. If the cheese is melted and it's slightly browned, then it's done. This is what it should look like. Now let's try it.
Lance, what are you doing? Why aren't you eating the real tomato soup that we just made? Ugh, try this one.
Better.
There's multiple ways that you can eat this. You can either eat the tomato soup
Like that.
and the grilled cheese, or you can eat them together. Mmm. Delicious.
Very good.
S-U-B-S-C R-I-B